Welcome to Lexus of Richmond, RVA's Lexus dealer.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm one of the Lexus Technology Specialists here at Lexus of Richmond. Today I'm going to show you how to use your 2018 LS 500 massage chairs. First, what you're going to do is you're going to press the seat button right here, and then that's going to bring up the menu, so that way you can go over to Drive, Seat Refresh, and then you can pick and choose where you want the massage. So maybe I want it on the lumbar, so my lower portion of the back. And you just select it, and then you can go down and up to adjust the sensitivity, and then you just click it when you're done. So maybe I don't want that one anymore. Maybe you want to switch it, so you click on stop, and then maybe I want it on my upper body, and then that's a low sensitivity, so then to move it up you just kind of swipe, and then now it's more intense, and then when you're done you just select it. Okay, now let's go over here to passenger seat refresh. So this is going to do the same thing but massage the passenger, and then you just click wherever you want to do that. And there you go. Now you get a nice massage in your new 2018 LS 500. Thank you for watching.
Visit Lexus of Richmond today on Midlothian Turnpike or online at lexusofrichmond.com.